We're here at the Woodward Dream Cruise 2021, and I've got Jim Demmer of Jack Demmer Ford. Tell us about your Bronco, Jim.
Hi there. Glad to show it off here. It's 1978. It's an original freewheeling package. It is restored, but it was a very nice vehicle when I got it. It just needed a little paint, a little bit of love. The interior is 90% original. We decided to go 100% stock on this thing, and a big factor was maintaining the freewheeling package and the stripes. So I made sure we did that. We wanted to make sure that we kept it to the tune of what it was, what it had been by the original owner. It was a one-owner vehicle, originally owned by a retired Ford executive engineer, and I was able to buy it from him. He loved this thing, and I love it too.
How many years did it take you to fix it up?
It was about a 3-year project.
All right. Yeah, it looks really sharp.
Yeah.
You got the steel wagon wheels on there.
Original.
It's beautiful. We're gonna take a look under the hood of this beautiful, beautiful Bronco. Hit up Jack Demmer Ford if you are looking for a new Bronco or Ford vehicle. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
351M, 4-speed with a creeper gear. The previous owner put a 4-barrel dual exhaust on it. Other than that, it's stock. We just made it look a little prettier when we restored it.
Yeah, it looks very clean, very clean. I like the choice of going with the silver instead of the black on the fender skirts. That looks really nice too.
Yeah, I wasn't able to come up with a good finish to duplicate the galvanized look. So we just went with an Argent silver, but at some point where I come up with something I'm satisfied with, we may change it.
Yeah, why not? Did you have
it wasn't going to be black. Anybody can do black. We have to try to keep it true to original.
Who did the work? Was it done locally?
It was done at the Jack Demmer Collision Center in Dearborn.
Okay.
And Joel Smith, one of our longtime body men, was the guy responsible for the body work and putting it all back together. And he wasn't the guy that took it apart though, so he had a double hard job.
Right on. Let's look at the back. I want to see that tire carrier. It looks like it was either repainted or powder coated. They put a nice finishing touch here. Those usually came black.
That was
really sharp.
Was repainted. It was red on the truck when we started, so we made it red again. But all the hardware was there when I bought the truck, so we just took it apart, cleaned it up, painted it, put it back together.
That's a beautiful, beautiful truck.
Wheels are original. They were powder coated.
Yeah, that's a nice 9-inch underneath here. That's clean. That is really clean.
Full stainless dual exhaust from MRT over in Plymouth.
Okay.
Got the original draw-tight hitch the original owner put on it. Draw-tight hitches were made in Belleville, Michigan.
Yeah, right over off 275. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
They're not there anymore, are they?
No, no, they're not. Anyways, you can check this out at Jack Demmer Ford sometimes when it's out to look, but please get your Bronco at Jack Demmer Ford or any other Ford vehicle. We're enthusiasts, and we want to take care of our customers and
what city?
They want to come back again.
What city is Jack Demmer in?
In Wayne, right across the street from where this vehicle was built.
Okay. All right. Oh, yeah, Michigan.
Michigan Avenue.
Michigan
right across
truck.
from the Michigan Assembly Plant.
Perfect.
Michigan truck plant back in the day.
Right on. All right. Enjoy the cruise.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. Thanks for the interview.